One very cool operation that you can do with Project Glue is that you can move data blocks to different files. So, for example, we've got this ground plane here. Let's say that we wanted to maybe reuse that in multiple files, and so now it makes sense to move it out of this plants and fungi.blend into a different file. We can go to Glue, Move Data Block to File, and here we can select from any of the existing files we've got in the project, but we can also just move it to its own brand new file. So maybe groundplane.blend. And you can see here, groundplane, the object, actually uses a mesh and a material, so those will be moved along with the object itself. Here it's going to go create that new file and move the objects to that. And then it's going to come back to this file and update the references to GeoGroundplane. So you'll see when we get done here, this is actually now referencing the linked object that's in that new file that we just created. And I want to show you one last thing here with this move data block to file. You'll notice that with some of the files, we've got this little exclamation mark next to it. What that means is that if we were to move it to that file, we'd end up with a circular reference, meaning that this file that we're currently in would now reference backgroundforest.blend. However, backgroundforest.blend already references this plants and fungi file, so we don't want to move groundplane to this file, and you'll get this little exclamation mark as a warning.